Is your hair crying out for help? Discover the secret to salon quality repair and strength right from your own home or salon. It's time to revive your client's locks. Introducing L'Oréal Professionnel Absolut Repair Shampoo. This 300 ml powerhouse is designed for dry and damaged hair, trusted by stylists worldwide. It's your first step to visibly healthier hair. Formulated with a potent blend of protein and omega-9, this professional shampoo targets damage at a molecular level. It strengthens and repairs, restoring vitality to every strand for both men and women. Redness and instant resurfacing effect. This shampoo gently cleanses while deeply nourishing, leaving hair with a lightweight, soft touch. Say goodbye to brittle, lifeless strands. Achieve hair that's not just clean, but also incredibly smooth, shiny, and frizz-free. Many users report reduced hair fall and improved elasticity, transforming their hair's texture and appearance. This L'Oréal Professionnel favorite is specifically crafted for dry and damaged hair in need of serious care. With over 13,000 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, its effectiveness is clear. It's a value-driven professional solution, bringing expert care to your daily routine. Give your clients, or yourself, the gift of beautifully repaired and resilient hair. Ready to transform damaged hair? Click the link to learn more and purchase your L'Oréal Professionnel Absolut Repair Shampoo on Amazon India today. Elevate your hair care game.